Hey there, welcome back to another exciting video on how to make money from home using cryptocurrency arbitrage. In this video, I'll show you how to make money by taking advantage of the price differences between different cryptocurrency exchanges. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started. First of all, let's start with the basics. What is cryptocurrency arbitrage? Simply put, cryptocurrency arbitrage involves buying a cryptocurrency on one exchange and selling it on another exchange at a higher price. This price difference can be caused by a variety of factors, such as exchange fees, regional market variations, or different trading volumes. Now that you understand the concept of cryptocurrency arbitrage, let's move on to the practical steps involved in making money from this strategy. Here's what you need to do. Step 1. Sign up for multiple exchanges. To get started with cryptocurrency arbitrage, you'll need to sign up for multiple cryptocurrency exchanges. The more exchanges you sign up for, the more opportunities you'll have to find price differences and make profits. Some popular exchanges that you can consider include Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, and Bitfinex. Step 2. Transfer funds to your exchanges. Once you've signed up for multiple exchanges, you'll need to transfer funds to each of them. This will allow you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on each exchange. Make sure you familiarize yourself with the deposit and withdrawal fees of each exchange before making any transfers. Step 3. Look for price differences. The next step is to look for price differences between the exchanges. You can do this by monitoring the prices of cryptocurrencies on each exchange and comparing them to the prices on other exchanges. There are several tools available online that can help you with this, such as CoinMarketCap and CryptoCompare. Step 4. Buy and sell. Once you've identified a profitable price difference, you'll need to buy the cryptocurrency on the exchange with the lower price and sell it on the exchange with the higher price. You'll need to move quickly to take advantage of the price difference before it disappears. Step 5. Repeat the process. Finally, repeat the process of looking for price differences and buying and selling cryptocurrencies on different exchanges. As you gain experience and familiarity with the process, you'll be able to identify more opportunities and make more profits. So there you have it, a simple yet effective strategy for making money from home with cryptocurrency arbitrage. Remember, the key to success with this strategy is to stay informed and up to date with the latest market trends and price movements. If you're interested in learning more about how to make money from home using cryptocurrency arbitrage, be sure to click the link in the description for more information on the best ways to get started. Thanks for watching and happy trading.